welcome back to the course, and I am glad that you have reached till here. Congratulations, you are end of this course, and this is bonus video, and this bonus is really huge. So stay tuned and hear it till the end. So there are some do's and don'ts that you must follow on a LinkedIn profile. So let's get started. All right, let me take this up. Yeah, you must have a good profile picture, not a just casual one, but it should be professional enough. Another thing is you should not use LinkedIn just once a while, but you should use it regularly. When you are building your personal brand, you need to be active every day. You need to engage. That means you need to like and comment on others' posts. You also need to do postings from your LinkedIn, share content, and be a active profile. All right. And another mistake that I see is people do send random connection requests, which is not at all good. Always make sure that you are personalizing the note. If you have a personalized note request sent, then there are higher chances to get that accepted. Also, do not exceed the limit at all. You only have limit of 100 people. I see a lot of people send 50, 50, and above that request. No, you can only send 10 or lesser connection request. If you have a premium account, you can go for 15 or 20 per day, but not more than that at all. So make sure you are following these for your better. Now, before we dive into learn few more different things, now I want to tell you that you want to have a post that reach to maximum people. But now, how do you actually make it done? All right, so let's get started about this as well. Now I need to show you what is the right format. So the format is right here. Share longer text post. If you are sharing text post only, then make sure that you are adding a lot of text and making it more valuable. So it's just not about making it large only, but it should be about making it more of quality and more with values. Second thing you need to consider is you need to add hooks in the first three lines. Now, what is hook? Hook means that you catch the attention. How do you catch the attention? Is you add some humor to that particular three lines, you give some shocks, you give some news or this and that. You're gonna catch some emotions in short, okay? And always add links in the comments. So why I am saying this, many times links do have very boring picture, and because of that many people do not actually go to that particular link. So that's why always feature your links in the comments, and now you can pin that link particularly, pin that comment particularly. So it is very easy nowadays. Add some spaces and a few emojis on your post always to make it look very nice, and that's why you should add lot of spaces after two or three sentences, and then you can add some emojis to give life to your post. All right, now always make sure that use one tool, which is Grammarly, to save yourself from any typo errors or maybe mistakes that you have been doing in grammar. So this also helps. And now what should be the elements of a great post? So a great post do have hook, that is how you catch the attention, and also it adds some factual things. For example, if I'm saying build a personal brand, so I'm adding Forbes in it, like Forbes claimed that, and this is not fake, this is real. So you need to add fact which is actually real, okay? Add some experiences in your post. If you can share your experience of interview, or maybe some sort of customer experience you had, client experience you had, you can share that. Reason to connect. I mean, your post should have a valid reason to connect with that particular audience. If I am addressing to CEOs and founders, I'll make sure that I'm dropping something, I'm writing something which is going to connect with them directly. Yeah, and you need to give them a reason why they should engage on your post, why they should like or comment on your post. So there should be a reason. Either it can be a very good post, so they'll like it, or they'll love it, they'll react in a manner, or maybe you ask a question that can be a CTA call to action, where